Hi, it's Ambrosia here with Equity Recipe. Just wanted to say a few things because I really love properties that you can have an investment in. Obviously, the largest investment you can make is your own residential property, but what if you could do double? Have your own part of a property that you use and the other part that you're not using can be rented out. So it can cover all of your expenses or pretty close to it. Well, I'm in a duplex right now, and that's what this is. This duplex you can own for a lot less than what a lot of people pay for a single family home this size. And this one's in St. Paul, close to the main part of the city, whether it's Minneapolis or St. Paul. So if you work in the city, it's a great, easy commute. If not, it's close to the suburbs. And overall, you guys, it's such a cute property, and there's been so many updates, but this is not necessarily about this particular property. It's more about the fact that we need to kind of look at multiple options when it comes to houses. We want to bring awareness as Equity Recipe to everyone else because we've personally, and myself included, been able to utilize real estate for so many other things, including paying off debt or having extra income every month to be able to go on a vacation or whatever else it is that you want to do. And you know, sometimes when things do come up and you pay out of pocket, you know, when you sell, you're going to get that back. So it's kind of a way to force save too. But I just want to let you know that it's totally possible to get a duplex or an income property, and I want to show you guys a little bit more, so stay tuned, and we're here for you anytime you need us. So reach out if you have any questions about the Twin City market, and Equity Recipe is here for your needs. Bye guys.